Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm here at Cuyuna Range doing demo trail, and I actually didn't do this first. I actually ended up doing the skills first, the jumps. Now, which way do I go? I always, there we go. Through the gravy bowl. This is the right way. Oh, jump line. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! I cleared it. Now, that jump! Oh, crap. Come on. I'm getting speed jitters. That's what's going on. I'm going to coast into this one and then pedal like mad to that one. And then I'm gonna not brake. I know I can do it. What the hell is wrong with me? All right, here we go. Clipped it. Hit that one hard. Clear it. Oh yeah. Clear it. Oh yeah. Clear it. Oh, I'm rear heavy and I'm bumping it. All right. Again, I'm gonna roll hard into this one. Not gonna clear it. Clear this one. Then just keep going without brakes. Oh, I think I cleared it. Woo! So I was watching so many people not clear the first one and then clear the third and fourth one because they're getting speed and I am cranking. Yeah, I cleared it. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest jump I have ever cleared. I'm doing that again. Same thing. Roll the first one hard, clear the second one, and just keep going without brakes. That's the key. I'm amped now. Oh, I feel so good. I'm just gonna keep rolling. Oh, I kind of had a little bit of a nick. Okay, so don't clear the first one. Clear the second one. Clear the third one. Clear the fourth one. Oh yeah! I totally cleared it that time. Oh, it feels good. I'm gonna try to clear all four of them. I'm clipped in. Oh, that was a good run, but I think I can do it. I think I'm gonna go full blast. Stay clipped in. Stay clipped in. Clipped in. Stay clipped in. Oh yeah, I cleared all of them in a row. Sweetness, now I can go home. Woo! There goes a pro. A little hard landing. Oh, he is just flying. He says the last two jumps are the most difficult. Wow. Craziness.